How does insurance work if the other driver is at fault? If another driver causes an accident, their insurance company is generally responsible for paying the harm caused by their insured. That may include costs of repairing or replacing your vehicle, your medical expenses, any lost income, and compensation for your pain, suffering, and inconvenience. But here's what you need to understand. The other driver's insurance company does not represent you. Its job is to investigate the claim, look for ways to reduce what it pays, and protect its insured. The adjuster may dispute who caused the accident, question whether all your injuries came from the collision, or ask you to give a recorded statement. You should be very careful before providing one. There's also the issue of insurance limits. If your damages exceed the at-fault driver's coverage or the driver has no insurance, you may need to make a claim under your own uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Depending on your policy, your medical payment coverage or health insurance may also help with your medical bills while the claim is pending. I'm Mason Rashtian, a personal injury attorney in Santa Clarita and a former insurance defense attorney. If you've been injured in an accident, have questions about which insurance coverage applies, give me a call. I'll explain your options clearly with no pressure and no sales tactics. At the Mason Law Firm, we meet our clients by accident.